Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about the solar cell. A solar cell is an electrical device which converts the energy of light into the electricity. It's the power of solar cell. We use solar cell because to convert light from the energy of sun to the electricity very very cheap. As we know, there are two types of sources of energy, renewable and non-renewable, in which one is limited on the earth and second is unlimited, and the energy of sunlight can be think as the unlimited source of energy. So so nowadays we use the energy of sun for generating electricity. That's why we discovered the solar cell. Now, how can it convert the electrical energy from the energy of light? Because the first reason is that it is a PN junction diode. Second, a single solar cell can produce a voltage of approximately 0.5 volt to 0.6 volt. It means these are the qualities. This is the quality of the solar cell. So, as we know, there are two types of semiconductor, extrinsic and intrinsic. So silicon is the example of pure semiconductor, but it gives us very low voltage on generating the electricity. So we generally don't use this element as semiconductor material. That's why we were forced to discover another type of semiconductor, and the other type of semiconductor has also two types, p type and n type. P type semiconductor, it means it has positive charge. Positive charge means it has holes, it means deficiency of electrons, while n type means excess of electrons. So we use P and N type semiconductors. P type semiconductor means when we add trivalent element with silicon or any other tetravalent atom. And N type means when we add pentavalent atoms with the tetravalent atoms. Then at that time we are able to get P type and N type semiconductor. But after that we also do a process which is PN junction diode. We get PN junction diode by making by joining the two layers of semiconductors. One is P and second is N, and between P type and N type layers there is also a layer which separate them. You can call that energy gap. Now it makes just like a sandwich where upper part is N, lower part is P and middle is gap. Here we have to remember that in solar cell generally N type is always very thin while P type is always thick. So whenever lights fall on the cell, the light contains the photons which pass through the N type and fall on the energy gap, and at energy gap it creates the energy by the photons, and due to vibrations or forms of energy electrons move and holes also move, and they take the place of each other. So it's the working of a solar cell. You can see the some street lights, or in any other place you can see the solar panels. So what is solar panels? Solar panels is called the group of the solar cells. It is generally in black or blue color. It in daytime it gets the energy from sun and charge themselves, and at night they give us the light from them, from that energy which they created from the sunlight.